Now let's get into the very juicy Intense 5. Beyonce goes country. What do you think about Texas Hold'em? I wish Ash was here to tell us what she thought, because she loves a queen bee. Super Bowl performer Usher is officially off the market. He tied the knot with his girlfriend in Vegas after the Super Bowl. How you ladies feel about that? Boy, I don't think they're taking it too well at all. Cindy Breakspear is holding nothing back about her relationship with the legendary Bob Marley. Lots of mixed reactions to her interview, but hey, should Cindy release her own film? So, the Bob Marley biopic has been released to the world, and a British newspaper wasn't feeling it. Did you go? Have you seen it? Tell us what you think. And finally holding the spot this week, the long-anticipated Privy Council appeal for Vybz Kartel and his co-accused is over, and it was live-streamed to the world. Was there a verdict? Yeah. Well, that's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Follow us on IG for the latest in entertainment at TVJ Intense. Up next, Ice Coolio has a lot to say about everything Intense Forward.